So far, so good. I believe you have understood so far the entire page. Now I've kept some space at the bottom, you can see, for one special kind of a visual that I'll be talking about later. Right now, I will be creating a new page. As you can see, we already having a page one with me. So I'll going to use this because uh, the purpose is to create an entirely dedicated page. I'll reveal the surprise once we are done with few videos. Once we are done with building the entire page, then I'll reveal the surprise over here. Okay. The only thing is that we have to make a dedicated page for the product. So that is the reason what I'm going to do. I'm going to create this page for the product detail. As you can see over here, right now in the top line report, this is an entire data which has been shown on this page. That is generic, right? But something which is dedicated for a particular product, this is what I'm looking for. And for this, I will be renaming this page. I'm just double clicking, renaming this page to product details, right? Number one. Second of all, I need to add few visuals over here. And in this video, I'm going to talk about that how to create, a trend line over here. And trend line is basically is going to be the part of a line chart. So I'll be creating a line chart here, and then we'll be talking about how to insert a trend line onto that. So first of all, over here, I will be going to the visualizations, and there you can see a line chart is appearing. I'll simply click on the line chart, and let me just drag over here and just resizing it. Okay, and this is going to be for the entire products, and it's kind of a monthly revenue trend we need to see. Okay, so first of all, I'll go with the start of month. That is what field that we have with us, right? Start of month. I'll simply bring it and drop it into the X's, and then surely I need to show revenue, so I'll search for the revenue. And revenue, you can either drop a field or you can drop a measure, doesn't matter. And I'm going to drop it into the values over here. The moment I drop it, you can see I'm getting the trend, but it is yearly. As I mentioned earlier to you also, whenever you are going to drop any date related field, it automatically groups it. I don't want the grouping. I need to show the monthly trend. So what I'm going to do, in front of the name of this, we have this drop down. Under this drop down, you have to choose the name of the field itself, means the start of month. I'll click, and now you'll see it's kind of a monthly revenue trend we can see over the period of time onto this visualization, right? A couple of things needs to be done, like first of all, the formatting of the same. So I'll not specially do the formatting, but you know that we already done the formatting in other visuals in our report. So I want to keep it symmetrical. So the best way is that again, I am going to select any visual and I'm going to select format painter. And yes, maybe you're surprised, but yes, you can use it throughout the pages. So I'll simply click over here and I'll go to product details, and I'm going to look at that brush is coming up. I'll simply click on this visual, and now you can see it's a very sophisticated dashed line along with the data labels, and the title is also got formatted aligned with the other visuals that we have into the entire report, which says revenue by start of month, something which is not logical to mention. So what I'll say, I'll come over here into the formatting, and I'll go down and I'll change this title to something related to monthly revenue, which seems good for me. I'll simply put it in proper case, monthly revenue, right? And this is how it is looking like. It's quite good, easy to see, very interesting. Okay, so this is a basic way of creating the chart, a line chart. I'll be talking about a very interesting part of it, which is the trend line, in the next clip. Otherwise, this will become very lengthy. So stay tuned, and thank you so much.